Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Minecraft worlds on iOS using Microsoft account, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Minecraft app on your iOS device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. From the main menu, select Play to access your worlds. Locate the world you wish to backup. Long press on the world to bring up the options menu. Select Edit from the options that appear. In the Edit menu, tap on the cloud icon. This action will start the backup process for your selected world. Wait for the backup to complete. You will see a confirmation message once the world is backed up successfully. To verify your backup, sign into your Microsoft account on another device. Open Minecraft and navigate to the Play menu. Your backed up world should appear in the list of available worlds. If you change devices or delete the app, you can easily restore this backup. Just sign in with your Microsoft account and download your world from the cloud. Always ensure your worlds are backed up regularly to avoid data loss. Following these steps will help keep your Minecraft adventures safe and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.